The difference honestly is like when you write copy for your clients, like how do you usually deliver it?
I mean, to be honest with you, I had one, and honestly, that was a friend of mine. So it was a lifestyle brand. He made watches for men, and it was modern and simplistic and things like that. So it was as simple as him reaching out to me and me, typing up the deliverables on a Word doc and emailing it off to him. You know, super small project, but I was like, all right, it's a client. I got a good testimonial out of it. So it was good for what it was.
Yeah, absolutely. So that's the thing. It's like with just copywriting in general, it's like you deliver the work to the clients via like a Google Doc or something. And it's a little bit challenging to try and like get consistent work, and you don't know how it did. You don't know if they tested it. You can't see the stats. You can't really ask for more because you don't know. It's harder to get testimonials, get more clients. But being an email list manager, it's like the only difference is that you need to know how to navigate inside of an ESP. So like ActiveCampaign, MailChimp, Klaviyo, whatever they use. And you write the emails, like obviously inside of there, you send the emails for them. And obviously it's less stress for them because they only need one person now. They don't need to hire you and somebody else to send. But it's like you're writing the emails, sending the emails, pretty simple. You're making sure the emails don't hit the spam folder, pretty simple. I mean, if you look at all the trainings in the group, it gets simple. At first, it sounds complicated. And then the last piece is kind of like touching up their automations as well. So like, hey, does their welcome series make sense? They have a good abandoned cart series, stuff like that. And the nice thing is you get to see the results because you're in there. It's really hard to get fired because frankly, it's like most people who hire email list managers really weren't being consistent at all prior to that. So yeah, it's a really good spot to be in. So does that sound good to you, or is there like a certain niche
Yeah,
that you really enjoy? Like what do you enjoy the most?